In one of my previous videos, I taught you that how you can do voice typing in Windows 10 using your on-screen keyboard. Here's the mic option. Whenever you will click on it, first of all you have to select the text field and now click on it. Hello, in this video I am going to show you that how can you do voice typing in Microsoft Word. But before we start, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is how you can do voice typing in Microsoft Word, but this feature wasn't working for some users as they don't have mic option on their on-screen keyboard, or said that dictation option isn't available in their PC. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix this problem. Don't worry about my desktop, there are many items listed on it. First of all, we open our Microsoft Edge browser. So here you have to type office office.com and press enter. www.office.com. Here you will have access to all of the Office apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint online, and you can also import any document from your computer. So first of all, go to create Word document. So I'm going to create a Word document. Please wait. Make sure that you have a strong internet connection to work it properly, and this dictate option is best of all of methods that we use for voice typing. So here's a dictate option, click on it. Now go to settings, make sure that you have enabled auto punctuation. So click on save. Now click on the start dictation. Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you that how can you do voice typing in Microsoft Word. But before we start, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel if you like this video and found it helpful. So this is this is how you can do voice typing. Later on you can save this document, going to file, save as, download a copy. So it will download a copy of this app, of this document. You can open this document in your Word 2019. So click on enable editing, and so this is how you can do voice typing and import your document in the Word. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and share it with friends.